Well, welcome back, everybody. I hope you're having a phenomenal trading day, especially after the really important training class I did for you guys yesterday morning. Boy, how timely was that, right? I showed you what I've been doing with my trading, and then I went in and did it today. And today I actually got to really focus on it because, I guess for better or for worse, we had a big snowstorm here. In fact, we're still having this snowstorm right now as I'm going ahead and talking to you, so we get buried under several inches of snow. And so the team went ahead and we had them go home early today before it got real bad. And so that allowed me to go ahead and get trading and just focus on my trading. What a nice fun thing that was. And so I went ahead and was focused on trading. So let's talk about a couple of things. First of all, before we get into all of the trading side of things, we went ahead and I guess on the bigger picture perspective, you had the distribution bar over here on the weekly, right? We have the resistance right up here. So we know we have overhead, supply. At the same time here, we're really just in a consolidation going back and forth. And so I've been an equal opportunist, especially with, when the bad news, the economic data doesn't make it sell, right? So what's nice is today, the PPI data did bring the market down, but then it also recovered at one point, and then it went back down again. So that opened up so many incredible opportunities here. And in fact, I'm done trading for the day. Now we're going into the last 30 minutes of the day. But just take a look. I went ahead and grossed $3,787.50 using those strategies that I shared with you. Let's take a look at those strategies right now, right? So first thing this morning, we went ahead. We had the setup and pro RTs. Then we had acceleration alerts, rapid trade identifiers. Down the hatch it went here. We also had throttling, which means then we're looking for lower lows. Then after the PPI, we went ahead and had more throttling, which means then we're expecting lower lows, right? So then what happened was then the market turned around and started going buy side here. Champion setup, pro RT. Then we went ahead and had the acceleration alerts, rapid trade identifiers with throttling. Off to the races it went again, right? So some really great opportunities there. And then also into the afternoon here, not as clean, but it was effective nonetheless. It went ahead, we had the champion setup, Pro RT, the acceleration alerts, rapid trade identifiers, and it went ahead and went up here as well. And then we had much cleaner once again, the champion setup, Pro RT, acceleration alerts, rapid trade identifiers, down the hatch it went with throttling, which means after a pullback we expect a lower low. It did that with more throttling, and right now as I'm speaking to you, we just got a lower low. So phenomenal trading. I'm done trading for the day now, but the exact same things I taught you, I went ahead and was focusing on in my live trading with real money today here. So we weren't going to do this, but we're going to actually come back together Saturday morning at 9 o'clock Central, 10 o'clock Eastern, and 7 a.m. Pacific, because we're going to add more examples, bring in more work together to make sure you guys are understanding this, because these opportunities are unbelievable. There's plenty of risk if you're not following, a structured set of rules and everything else. There's always risk in the markets. So, we hit that really hard yesterday morning. We talked about all those different things and showed you how I focus on increasing my probabilities and everything. So we hit a lot of great stuff. We're going to build upon that as we go into Saturday morning. So for all of you that came yesterday morning, new and old students alike, make sure you come back Saturday morning. And for those of you that weren't able to make it yesterday morning, here is your chance to be with me Saturday morning, because these markets are absolutely incredible right now. There's so much opportunity, but there's also so much risk if you're not paying attention to what you're doing. And I want to go and work through all those different things with you here, because it's what I'm doing right now in the here and now today, not 6 months ago, but right now as we're even talking again today. So a lot of excitement. Everything we had talked about yesterday just happened today in triplicate, actually quadruplicate if you want to get technical there. And I look forward to building upon this Saturday morning. So join me there. Go to becomeabettertrader.com/go. Becomeabettertrader.com/go. Make sure you get registered. Make sure you're there Saturday morning. It will not be recorded. So get there. You do not want to miss a minute of it. I think yesterday morning we ended up being together for like a couple hours. So you're not going to want to miss that Saturday morning there. Okay, have a wonderful night. I cannot wait to see you, and it's so exciting. Even right now, as we're talking, right, we had the throttling right here. That means we're looking for the lower low. We had the throttling right here. we have a lower low, and then there was all those other opportunities that we talked about, both down and up today. Just incredible opportunities here. So join me. You do not want to miss this. I'll see you Saturday morning at becomeabettertrader.com/go. Let's celebrate our successes from the day and to have a wonderful night. I'll see you shortly. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.